So this is the new Design Max range. We have wall-mounted and flush-mounted versions of these guys. The Design Max range is the new range of installation speakers that we're offering, and there's a whole bunch of unique features about these guys. In terms of our flush-mounted speakers, we can see here that they're actually whiter than white and brighter than bright. If we just come on in a little bit. One of the really interesting features of these guys is the low frequency waveguide. This is designed to match the HF and the LF in the same conical dispersion pattern. So we actually finally have some control over the dispersion pattern. The other nice thing about all these ranges, they're flat EQ. All Bose products to date have had an EQ curve, which is built into all of our amplifiers. With these guys, we've actually built it into the speaker, so we can drive them with any amp that we choose to, which is a whole new thing. So we've got 2s through to 8s. 8-inch in-ceiling subwoofers, and of course we've got the surface-mounted versions as well. Go from 2s to 8s, and there's a 10-inch subwoofer available in the system as well. Interesting things about these guys, and if I can, we'll go over here and I'll show you the mounting system on these, because it's a bit unusual and a bit more attractive than things we've seen in the past. This is the 8S version, S for surface mount. The front grille will pop off. There we go. So it's held on magnetically and with friction as well. And in here, we've got 2 lugs, which will, again, these 2 hands, which can pop off to create our tilt. Now, to get these things off the wall, it's a bit of a trick. You got to put your back into it a little bit, and off they come. So what we can see there is the bracket is actually integral to the shape of the speaker. So it all hides away and becomes an architect's best friend, because it's very beautiful. Get nice and close to the wall, and recessed speaker connections as well. So you wire them up, patch him in, send him home, and then do your tilt in 5-degree increments. It's very, very tidy from that point of view. Again, these are flat EQ. They do 100 volts or low impedance. And they're beautiful sounding boxes. We've actually got one running outside now, the 5-inch, the 5 version. It's a 5-inch driver. That's what the 5's all about. And yeah, we're releasing these now, but they're shipping toward the end of the year. So we've still got a few months before we actually get stock in play.